The next one what we are going to see is a dominance property. So dominance property is one method which comes under your mixed strategy. Okay, so when you have multiple number of options or strategies, so how we have to minimize that into 2 by 2 payoff matrix, because with 2 by 2 payoff matrix only we can able to find out what is going to be the best strategy for A and B. Okay, so here dominance property which will be trying to reduce the matrix size to 2 by 2. Okay, so that is why it is a dominance property. So which row or column is dominating, so that will be being there in the like matrix. Okay, so let us understand how to do that. So here we have a problem. Player A and player B plays a game in which each player has 3 coins, 25 pies and 50 pies. Each of them select a coin with the knowledge of other person. So they are going to select based on the other person's knowledge. So they have 3 coins, 20 pies, 5 pies and 50 pies. If the sum of value of the coin is even, okay, if the sum of the coins, say for example A is throwing 20, B is also throwing 20, the sum of the coin is now even. Okay, so when it is even, A wins B's coin. So A is winning B's coin. Okay, and if the sum of the coins is odd, B wins A's coin. So here B wins A's coin if the sum is odd. So if for example A is throwing 20, B is throwing 25, B wins A's coin. Okay, so now the question is develop a payoff matrix with respect to player A. So with respect to player A, that we have to keep it in your mind. And the next one is you have to find the optimum strategy for the players. So you have to find out the optimum strategy for players. So now you have to create a payoff matrix based on player A. Okay, so what player A is going to win and what he is going to lose. Okay, so now we have to consider the payoff matrix. So player A, he has 3 coins, 20, 25 and 50, and same way player B also has 3 coins, 20, 25 and 50. Okay, so now they are throwing both are 20 paise. So the sum is going to be 40. So 40 means A is going to win. Okay, so sum is even means A wins B's coin. Okay, so what is B's coin? B's coin is 20. Okay, so he is going to win. Okay, so here we are looking at only player A's perspective, what he is gaining, what he is going to lose. Okay, next is 20 and 25. Okay, so 20 and 25, the sum is 45. So now it is an even number. Even number means B wins A's coin. So B wins A's coin means A is losing. Okay, so how much he'll be losing? He'll be losing his coins. So it is going to be minus 20. So next one, 20 and 50, it is going to be an even. Even means he is going to win the B's coin. So it is going to be 50 here. So next 25 pies and 20 pies, now it is odd. So odd means he'll be losing his coin, so which is minus 25. And the next one, 25 and 25, it is even. So 50 is a sum, it is even, so he is going to win B's coins, which is going to be 25. So next one, 25 and 50, which is 75, it is an odd number, so he is going to lose his coin. Okay, so his coin he is going to lose, so 25 pies is minus. And the next one is 50 and 20, so the sum is 70, so now he is going to gain whatever be the B's coin, so 20 is the gain. And the next one, 50 and 25, which is 75, now he is going to lose his coin because it's a odd number, so it is minus 50. And the next one is 50 and 50, it is 100, so he is going to gain B's coin, so B's coin is 50. Okay, so now we have constructed the payoff matrix. So first we have to check whether we have saddle point or not. Okay, so first saddle point, you have to find out the row minimum. So the row minimum is minus 20. Here the minimum is minus 25. Here the minimum is minus 50. In column max we have to find out the column max is 20 here it is 25, so here it is 50. So in this you have to find out the maxi-min. Okay, so the maxi-min is 20. Okay, so in this the maximum is 20 because other two are minus 25 and minus 50. Okay, so the maximum is 20, and here you need to find out minimax. So in this the minimum is 20. Okay, so the minimum is 20. So now minimax is 20, maximum is minus 20. So now these two are not equal, so there is no saddle point. If there is no saddle point, you have to solve it by using your mixed strategy. Okay, and again mixed strategy, this we have 3 rows and 3 columns, but as I told you, you have to go with 2 by 2 matrix, then only you can solve it. So how we are going to reduce the 3 by 3 matrix into a 2 by 2 matrix is what we will do it in dominance property. For dominance property, you have to write the payoff matrix. So here we need to check whether each row or each column is dominating any other columns. Say for example, the first column or the first row is dominating any other rows that we need to check. So first let us do a row wise domination. So first row we will take, we have 20, minus 20 and 50. So now let us check first row is dominating second row or not. Okay, so 20 is greater than minus 25. Yes, first row is dominating in this case. Now next value is minus 20 and 25. Now minus 20 is less than 25, so it is not dominating. So first row is not dominating the second row. Now let us check first row is dominating third row or not. Okay, so 20 and 20 is equal. Okay, so there is no domination, but it is equal. And next one is minus 20 and minus 50. Minus 20 is a bigger number than minus 50, so that first row is dominating the third row, and the next value is 50 and 50, both are same. The first value are 20 and 20 same, third value is 50 and 50 same. The next second value is minus 20, which is dominating minus 50. That means that first row is dominating the third row. Okay, so first row is dominating the third row. So what you need to do is you have to remove the third row. Okay, so you have to remove this third row. Okay, so you have to write only the first 2 rows. So that is going to be the values here. Okay, so you could see 20, minus 20, 50, and minus 25, 25 and 25. So you could see 20, minus 20 and 50, minus 25, 25 and minus 25. Okay, so now our payoff has been reduced to 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, so our payoff should be 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so that is more important. So now we need to check, we have made the rows into 2, so we need to make the column into 2, so that we need to check column wise domination is there or not. Okay, so now same way, first let us take the first row and we'll check with the first column, and let us check with the second column. So 20 is dominating minus 20, yes, because 20 is the biggest number. The next one is minus 25 and 25. So minus 20 is less number, so it is not dominating. Okay, vice versa also not dominating. So now let us check 20 and 50. So 20 is not dominating, but 50 is dominating 20. Okay, minus 25 and minus 25, these two are same. So that means third column is dominating your first column. Okay, so 50 is dominating 20, minus 25 and minus 25 both are same. So which means that column 3 is dominating column 1. Okay, so column 3 is dominating column 1. So what you need to do is you have to remove column 3. Okay, so in the row wise domination, what you need to do is you have to remove which is dominated. Okay, so here first row is dominating the third row. Okay, so you have to remove the third row, whereas in column your third column is dominating your first column, so you have to remove third column, okay, so that your payoff would be the first and second column alone. So 20 minus 20 minus 25 and 25, so you will get 2 by 2 matrix. So now you need to find out the oddments. So oddments, you know the formula. C, you have A, B, C and D. So you have the formula already. So you have to subtract these two values in a modulus. So minus 25 and 25. So this is going to become 50. And for this value you have to add these two values in the modulus. 20 and plus 20, it will become 40 here. To find out this, you have to add these two values. So this is going to be minus 20 and minus 25. So this is 45. And to get this values, you have to subtract these two values. 20 minus and minus of 25 is going to be positive. So it is going to be 45. Okay, so you have to find out P1, P2. So that is going to be the player 1 strategy. So P1, you know the formula, so which is going to be C minus D divided by A minus B plus C minus D. Okay, so that is these two plus divided, this is going to be the numerator, and you have to add these two as a denominator. So 50 divided by 90, which is going to be 5 by 9. And for next one, it is going to be, this is going to be the numerator, and sum of these two is going to be the denominator, which is going to be 40 by 90. Finally it is going to be 4 by 9. And next one, Q1. So for Q1, this is going to be the numerator for Q1, and sum of these two are going to be the denominator. So 45 by 90, which is going to be 1 by 2. And here again 45 divided by these two sum. Okay, 45 plus 45. So 45 divided by 90, which is going to be 1 by 2. Okay, so next we need to find the value of the game. For finding the value of the game, so you need to multiply A into this value and C into this value. Okay, so you need to multiply A into this value plus C into this value. Okay, so 20 into 50. So you get 20 into 50, and we need to plus, so this value is minus, so minus 25 into 40. Okay, so this is going to be the numerator, and these two are going to be the denominator. So once you apply, it is going to be 0. So the value of the game is going to be 0, and the strategy for player 1 is 5 by 9 comma 4 by 9, and for strategy for player B is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So this is how we have to find out by using your dominance property. So thank you, we'll see you in another video.